the best way to debunch a banana that I have discovered. For me, it works very well.
Easy peasy.
Very easy. It's the bigger cluster, so I have to go one step at a time. Yeah. So this is the last one. And it's
Very
wide.
full.
Very full and wide.
So if your hand cannot cut it, you just have to use the knife to just
Make it easier. Go
yes,
through
make
the
a line.
lines. Yes. So you can pull it out easily. So that's it. So we're just gonna let it sit in the sun for today. Then by tomorrow and the next couple of days, it will be ready for eating.
Yummy. The best way to eat a fruit is to eat it like this, not processing, not blending. When
There's
you
also
eat it,
a dwarf banana breed. Come to think of it, we have lots of dwarfs in our premises. The coconut is dwarf, our goat is dwarf, this banana is dwarf.
whoa,
Dwarf breeds. They don't grow very tall, but they are very nice. Just look at this bunch.
very full and big.
Yeah. So we'll just let it sit in the sun for today. The sun is going to come up here, and by evening, we'll take them in. In the next couple of days, they'll be ready for us to eat.
So I think that will be all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to contact us if you need any farm products. Any farm product, moringa tea, soursop tea, leaf, any farm product at all, banana, plantain, goats. Just contact us if you need any farm products, and don't forget that we are also into solar installation. If you need our services, we are 100% at your service. So contact us and let's cooperate. So see you in our next video. See ya.